Okay, I have news. So my neighbor is a chicken lady. She has, like, I'm not kidding, hundreds of chickens. But she also has, like, geese and stuff. And she just got a new puppy, so she's not able to socialize some of them right now. And she has a little baby goosey that's gonna hatch in a few days. And once it's medically stable and doesn't need to be under the heat lamp anymore, I'm gonna foster it. I'm gonna be a goose daddy. I'm gonna get to see the little pee-pee baby.
It's going to be so very cute with its little cross beak.
If they didn't, he's like, I don't know if that's mine or it's not mine. I don't know if I need to be afraid of it, if I need to look out.
Loud man. This is a very loud box.
Baby's in a box. Apparently now it is time to scream. Hello, my little ones. You're a little scared, aren't you? That's allowed. You've just been picked up from your place you lived. You're allowed to be scared. You're very fluffy, though. So, we were originally only going to get this little one. But they were best friends. And we couldn't separate the best friends. So we have two. This is the little baby goosey. And this is a little silky chick. Look, that's you. You have funny feet. Is my toe tasty to you guys? Is it delicious? The tickles. Oh, careful. What do you think, guys? Oh, you want to be back with your friend, don't you? Are you ready to meet the world? You think you're ready to start live streaming? Yeah, I think you guys are ready. Maybe not you. You seem to have something of a thing for heights.
I'm a school with my kid, bitch, I'm a mother. No drama.
We've been hanging out for a while and live streaming. I think these guys are pretty comfortable now. Huh, Oscar? You're blending in with my pants. I'm trapped here forever now, and I can't complain. My foot's asleep, but I'm clearly not allowed to move, so I don't know what to do with that. Excuse me, Oscar, I am not a food. It's nap time now. Nugget, are you really a chicken, or are you just a pom-pom with a face? Okay, close your eyes. Put your hands out. We'll hide up. Oh, close your hands around it, because they're a little flappy. Alright, open up. Oh my goodness. Name, Nugget? This is Oscar. Oscar. Your costume is so cute. Isn't it? It's adorable. And this is Nugget. She's very flappy.
I love that they're friends. That's amazing.
She was like, I was like, oh, I thought I was just taking the goose. And she's like, I thought you were too, but now they're friends, so you have to take both of them. I guess that means it's bedtime. They're all cuddled up. Night, guys. Good morning, little ones. Let's go on a downstairs adventure. You ready to bring cuteness to the world, baby? Yeah, don't worry, I'll bring you back to your friends soon. We're just getting snacks for you. So your feeties are gonna go through here. Neither of them are fans of the sock diapers, which is totally fair. They keep on running around and falling over and screaming because they don't know what's going on. So I'm just holding them like this for a bit so they get more comfortable. Neither of them are fans. Nuggets being a scared ball. And Oscar keeps on falling over backwards because he doesn't know how to goose.
Are you okay, scared ball? Did you know that you are a chicken? Did you know that? No, you think you're a parrot, don't you? Parrot chicken. Now it's a cuddle party.
We've decided to go outside for a bit.
He is friend, not food. Friend, not food, okay? Grass baby. Nap time. Oh, the wind scared you, didn't it? Well, I was gonna say nap time, but grass edition. But the big wind scared them. Oh, he's going on a wander. He's going on a wander. Pat, pat, pat. I wanted to show Oscar's cute little face, because look, poor guy only has one nostril.
I hate to break it to you, buddy, but you are actually being the opposite of helpful. Birds have decided that the most hilarious thing to do is to dump out the food bowl and then get mad at me when there's no food in it. Serves you right for being a bully. Huh? That's right. Now you can't reach her. What are you gonna do now? Hey. No, get off my keyboard. Hey, you logged me out. Can you not? I don't want you on my computer. No, stop it. Stop it.
Because their brake lights are on.
Interesting outfit choice, my dude.
Following the leader, the leader, the leader. Fast can they zoom? Ready? Let's go. Safe nugget spot.
Oscar's just exploring. I'm working on things, but my pants are too tasty to be left alone.
Yes. Get the toilet paper. Get it.
I think someone might be hiding. I don't know though, I don't see anybody.
Okay. It's nap on Jack time.
Do I get to nap too? We've gone over this. Mans has no respect for my laptop. He's so cute though, I can't be mad at him. Oscar, are you helping or hindering?
You've grown so much in just the few days I've had you. Is it time to run around in a circle?
On the way outside, I brought these guys out to come visit my sister while she was doing some schoolwork, and she was on call with her French teacher, so the teacher very much enjoyed seeing burbs.
Comfy peeping pile of poultry. Look how big this boy is now, though. Like, look at the fluffy butt. Here you go. Such a bigger fluffy butt. I don't know. Nugget's about the same.
He likes sticking his face out of the bird pouch. Oh. Anyway, Oscar bigness check. Look at this man. He's growing up so quick. Hand for scale. What a big man. Big boy goose. Not too big for cuddle time though, huh? Back into the arm corner we go. Go to sleep, little goose. In the morning, there'll be more food. Munch. Look, little wiggles.
I can't believe how tiny his wings are, eh?
I know, right? They're just little nubs. There we go. He's following you a bit. Oh no, he's coming back.
That's what you want to chew on.
How are you enjoying your chicken experience?
Who, me?
No, everyone else here.
I'm delighted. I'm reveling in relaxation, and now I have a chicken on my lap.
You have a weird face.
I know, it's not Jack's lap.
Oh, don't eat her.
Apparently I'm for dinner. I don't know, bud. Maybe you should have had fajitas with me. Boop. He is especially good at hiding. Nuggy's just hanging out, standing in her food. You doing all right back there? Sweetheart, why are you screaming? I'm a little worried about him because he's been super sneezy. How are you, sweet girl? You good? I got him a deeper water dish to make sure he's fully washing out his nostril because he only has one. Why scream? Man sneezed all over me. Thanks. Are you alright, little bud? Are you alright, baby boy? I'm a bird apartment. I have a stack now. Look at my stack. Also, I checked with the lady who's more knowledgeable about birds than I am, and she says it's just because of his dumb face. Did you hear that? You have a dumb face. Now that I'm a bird parent, I can use parenting techniques on them. What was that? Squeak, 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 squeak? Oh, you said squeak, 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 squeak? I don't remember it like that. Must have never happened. You don't want to be picked up? Well, I'm bigger than you, so I know what's best for you. Hello there. I don't think you deserve privacy. Don't stomp off. I'm not done talking to you. It smells horrible in here. I don't care that you're a chicken and don't know how to take care of yourself. It's your fault. You don't get it? Well, you'll understand when you're a parent. Newsflash, I still don't get it. I'm so sorry for putting you through that, my babies. You really should keep your room cleaner and stop leaving food on the floor, though. It's definitely been 2 full, whole, separate days since the cat in the hat pajamas and not me just getting pooped on twice.
Look at this motherfucker. He's bigger every time I look at him. Every time I cast my eyes upon you. You've grown so much. Soon you won't even be a fuzzy baby anymore. His crossbill's also getting worse as he gets bigger, though. He's not very good at eating anything other than, like, the goose food. My pretty chickens. My gorgeous little one. He does the flaps. Flap, baby. How would you like a floating salad, especially prepared for Oscars?
Haute cuisine.
What do you think? Right, I got you, okay? You're very safe. We're just gonna get your little feeties used to the water first.
I need to see you scoop up the romaine.
Thoughts?
Here, do you want to get the cat in here?
I'd say this one's a success.
She doesn't even want to be on the edge of the container. She's just like, I will not be associated with this. But Oscar wants her nearby so bad, so I'm just, okay.
Was that a good dunk? Happy gosling success. Splish splash. Oscar's the mama chicken now. Two little besties devolved into a cuddle pile. Scratch, scratch.
I come bearing a huge box of grass. Do with that as you will. Oscar bigness check. Hand for scale. A week ago, these two were like the same size.
Is it nice to have the sun out and the breeze in your feathers?
Stop it! She keeps on stealing his snack. There's a whole lawn and you can get your food yourself. Oscar can only really eat his kibble stuff because of his beak, but I still try and give him bits of plants sometimes. Chicken got a little squished because I was coming back inside and I dropped my phone, and when I bent down to pick up my phone, she fell off and I had to catch her. So she got a little squished, but I think she's good. I don't think she's hurt. She's just a little scared now, but I will keep an eye on her just in case. On account of being baby and also a goose, he's not really quite sure about object permanence, or I guess object impermanence. He doesn't understand why he can't come through the door and play with me right now. Because I have to do this, buddy. Now you can come out. These guys always act like they've been starving for the last 10 years and they've been given their first meal. They free feed. Technically, they always have food in their spot. They just dump it over and they don't like it when it's on the floor. So I try to come in and fill up their bowl as often as I can. Look at the length of those legs. He's a leggy man. What fluffy legs. We're sitting here looking at my computer learning to drive. Also, Oscar bigness check. Come on, stretch your neck out so they can see how big you are. There you go. And the best part of the day is the Oscar bigness check. You're a needy little shit, you know that? In constant need of attention. Yes, peep, 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 peep. I can scream too. Ah! Go play with your chicken. I have to do things. Do you scream in your sleep? Because he certainly does. At least while he's getting to sleep. This is where you put a goose who is sleepy, but also an attention whore. I don't know if that's what I thought. I don't know if he appreciates being stood on. Pretty Chicken hasn't gotten enough attention yet in this video, so just take a moment to bask in her glory. You may now proceed.
They're not snacks, okay? Go away. You're very cute, but I don't want you near my birds. Goose bath time. Goose bath time. You having fun?
Father, release me. Let me out of baby jail. Release me from my imprisonment. Would you like to be released?
Yes, yes. Attention, attention.
Freedom.
Good morning, attention. Good morning, attention. Good morning, goose attention. Oh, careful. He screamed. Ah.
As you can see, morning cuddle time is very important. Is the mirror chicken scaring you? Are you scared by mirror chicken? Oscar bigness check. Such a big boy.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
He's helping. Jack Fingers, Oscar approved as the best snack. Any boring work is greatly ameliorated by the addition of a baby goose.
You have a funny face. Hey!
Today's winner from Perfectly Cut Screams.
Leggy man.
Oscar bigness check.
Is it time for the great escape?
Here you go.
Big man getting bigger every day, but absolutely still a little snuggle bug. This is the shape of a comfy goose. And that is the shape of a comfy chicken. You're really warm on my lap and you look very comfy. I'm so sorry, but I have to get up.
I bring you outside, and even still, you just want to be on me.
Bigness check. Did I already do that today?
Hello, chicken nugget.
They have the whole lawn to choose where to be, but...
I'm being young.
Apparently, I am the best shade. There are trees, like, she can walk just a tiny bit and get into more shade that is not me, but nope. I am best shade. I am comfy as well. She doesn't usually cuddle with me. Yeah, I know you're thirsty. I'll take you inside soon. Sweetheart, are you trying to dig somewhere?
A nice dust bath. Nice chicken dust bath.
Hi, sweethearts. Here is the last Oscar bigness check. He's such a big boy now. And these guys are going to be going to their new home. We're going to do one more live stream with them before we take them away. You guys ready to go to your new home? It will be much more luxurious than living in my bathroom. And you won't have to deal with me anymore. Aww. I'm gonna miss this dumbass. You too, Nugget. Aww. Saying goodbye to Aaron. It's your funny face. I hope your new home will also accept that you are a parrot. Anything to say back there, chicken? Very interesting. Thank you for your input. This is where he gets his joy of nibbling. Mans just wants attention. Yeah, it's a scary new place, isn't it? Hello.
And
You're pretty.
very handsome goose. This is what big Oscar's gonna look like. This is his dad.
The markers around.
Like father, like son.
And got
Sir, stop trying to eat my fingers. You have better biters than Oscar. And she's hiding. Oh, look at you. You're starting to get big boy feathers. No, she took your chicken. How dare she?
Really, they're very bonded, aren't they?
Yeah, I know. It's safer here, isn't it? Silly chicken can't sweat with all her feathers, so we're in the shade. Look, sweet boy, you've got a proper pool now.
Yeah, you're gonna go swim in there with your daddy. You're gonna go swim in there with your daddy. I've never.
You've got a proper big boy pool now.
Be nice, Fox.
Goodbye, my babies. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and do all the things and stuff. Bye.